morning, sir. My name is Bahadur Gurung. I am 48 years old. I have from Chitwan, Nepal. I have passed my SLC. I am married. I have 4 members in my family. I am medically fit and fine. I have 2 years work experience as a construction road worker in Nepal. I have grading roads, floors, loading and unloading, etc. I want to come to Europe as a construction road worker to earn money and support my families. I will stay there for the long time. And thank you, sir.